Having trouble logging into the myCricket app or website? You're not alone. Common causes include incorrect credentials, app glitches, server issues, or even account suspensions. First, double-check your phone number, password, or PIN. Ensure you're using the latest version of the myCricket app, version 6.8.1 or newer. If using biometric login, make sure your device is properly configured. Remember, a weak password can also lead to issues, so changing it regularly is good practice. Start by clearing the myCricket app's cache. Go to your device's app settings, find the myCricket app, and select Clear Cache. Then force stop the app and reopen it to refresh the data. If the previous step doesn't resolve the issue, try uninstalling the myCricket app completely from your device, then reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store to get the latest version. For web sign-in problems, open your browser in incognito or private mode to avoid cache data issues. Also, disable any VPN services that might interfere with the connection, or try accessing the site with a different browser. If you still can't log in, reset your password using the Forgot Password option on the login page. You'll receive a reset link via email or SMS to create a new password. Check Cricket's official status page or Down Detector for any reported service outages that might be causing login issues across the network. As a last resort, contact Cricket customer support at 1-800-CRICKET. Provide details about your issue for personalized assistance. If you're an advanced user and suspect app corruption, perform a factory reset on your device. Back up your data first, as this will erase all settings. For users in rural areas, intermittent connectivity can cause login issues. Ensure you have a stable internet connection before attempting to log in.